Question 5 says to divide 24 and 96 hundredths by 52. So I'm going to set up my division here. I can already tell that 52 is bigger than my 24, so my answer is probably going to end up being a decimal. So 52 can't go into 2, and it also can't go into 24, so I know my answer is just a decimal. But I'm looking at 249 divided by 52. I'm not quite sure, but I think it's going to go 4 times. So I'm going to check 52 times 4. That's an 8, and then that's a 20, so I have 208, which is as close as I can get if I'm counting by groups of 52. So I'm going to put my 4 on top and my 208 underneath, and then I'm going to subtract. So that leaves me with 1 and 4, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now when I drop down my 6, I have to divide 52 into 416. That can go 8 times. 8 times 52 is 416. So when I subtract, I don't have anything left over, and it looks like 48 hundredths is going to be my answer. But I'm still going to check it. So I've got 48 hundredths times 52. Go ahead and pause your video so you can check your work, and then come back and we'll see if we get the same answer. So I've got 8 times 2 is 16, carry up a 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus another 1 is 9. Put down a 0. 8 times 5 is 40, carry up my 4. And 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 more is 24. So when I add this up, I get an answer that looks like 2,496. But I've got to remember this was 48 hundredths I was multiplying by, so I should also have hundredths in my answer. And when I check my work, I can see that that does make sense, so 48 hundredths is the correct answer.